Hello students, this is video lecture number 9, Microeconomics chapter 2. So one thing is left in this chapter and today we are going to wind up this chapter, rotation and shifting. Rotation in PPC and shifting in PPC. Two things are there. So let us discuss about rotation and shifting. See, we have two goods, two opportunities, apple and wheat. If the shifting in curve, shifting in PPC, the shifting will be because of the resources, because of the increment in resources, because we are going to increase the resources or decrease the resources. So we will shift the curve, like the shifting will be upward, rightward or leftward. If this resource, this curve is shifted towards rightwards because of the increase, because of the growth in resources, and if the resources, if the curve is shifted backward or leftward, it is because of decline in resources. So this is the shifting because of both the opportunities. If we just make a growth in resources, the shifting of curve will be rightward, and if we are going to just deduct some resources, the quality of resources, the PPC curve will be leftward shifted, right? So this is the shifting. Likewise, rotation means only use of these resources will be rotated. Means if we make this point stagnant, this point constant, so this will be rotated. Means apple will be rotated either leftward or rightward, and if we make apple constant, then this will be rotated. So this is the rotation because of either or one use, the resources is being upgraded or resources being degraded. So that because of the degradation or upgradation in resources, the PPC curve will be rotated. So this is the rotation. So shifting and rotation of resources curve done. Okay, so thank you.